Set operations. First is union. A union B can be written as, this is two sets A and B, and A union B is defined as I say the blue colors, this area is known as A union. This is Venn diagrammatically representations of A union B. An example that the definitions of A union B is equal to A union B is equal to X, such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Here we use OR operations. Examples just like 1, 2, 3 union 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are two cities, Newark, Washington, union 3, 4. The Newark, Washington 3, 4. Union of any sets with a null set is given will be result the same set. 1, 2 is a set and 5 is a null set. Its union is 1, 2. Some properties of union operations, just like identity law, dominations law. Again, it is an idempotent law. Idempotent law means if we operate the sets with any other sets, it results the same set. It is a commutative law. A union B is equal to B union A. Associative law. A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. The next set operation is intersections. Intersections is represented as A intersections B. This is the intersection symbol. This is a Venn diagram. There are two sets A and B. The part which is common to A and B, this is denoted as A intersections B. This is a blue color. This is represented by blue color. Definitions of A intersection B is the element X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Both in intersections we denote AND, represented as AND. Examples. These are the examples of intersections. Here is 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. The common element is 3. So the 3 is in A intersection B. Now Newark and Washington's intersection 3, 4. This is phi null set. No elements in common. Here also there is no element in common. The resultant set is phi. That is a null set, empty set. Some properties of intersections. First is identity law. Second is dominations law. Identity law means A intersections U. U is a universal set. If we intersect any sets with the universal set, the resultant set will be the set A. Similarly, if we since all the elements of A in common will be common in universal set, so the resultant is A. Similarly, A intersection phi is phi. Since phi is a null set and it will have no common element, so it is an empty set. A intersections A. With the same set, if we intersect the two same sets, result the same set. It is a commutative law and associative law. Before going to the next operations, we discuss a new concept. It is known as disjoint set. Disjoint set means there are no elements in column. There are two sets A and B. Set A and B are disjoint since set A and B has no element in common. This is known as disjoint set. Formal definitions of disjoint set is that two sets are disjoint if their intersection is an empty set. For example, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4, 5. It is not a disjoint set since 3 is common to both the sets. It is also it is a disjoint set, Newark and Washington's and 3, 4. It is a disjoint set since no elements in common. The 1, 2 and 5 is that is empty set are disjoint. 5 and 5 was also a disjoint sets since there are intersections in an empty set. Next set operation is set difference. B minus A can be represented as those elements which is in B but not in A. This is the part of B minus A, since the element which is in A is subtracted from the elements from B. The B minus A consists of all the elements that are in B but not in A. Similarly, the set difference of A and B, that is A minus B, is the element that are in A but not in B. That is blue color is representing the set of all elements of A minus B. Set difference definitions. Formal definitions for difference of two sets is represented as A minus B is equal to X, such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. For examples 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4, 5, the set difference will be 1, 2. Since 1 and 2 belongs to A but it does not belongs to B, those elements which are belongs to A but does not belongs to B is a result of A minus B. Newark and Washington minus 3, 4. That is Newark and Washington. Since Newark and Washington's is not in the sets, this sets, the set B does not contain Newark and Washington. So the resultant will be Newark and Washington. 1, 2. 1, 2 is a set. 1, 2 is a set, and it is a null set. So this any element in the set does not belongs to this set. Hence the result will be 1, 2. Symmetric difference. Formal definition of symmetric difference of two sets are, and it is represented as XOR A, XOR B. It is represented in also Boolean algebra. This is symmetric difference. A symmetric difference B. It consists of all the element X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B, and X does not belongs to A intersection B. It can also be written as, since we know that X belongs to A or X belongs to B, this is A union B, and subtracted the elements which is not in A and B. So this elements is subtracted. That means X belongs to A union B and does not belongs to A intersection B. Examples. For example, the set A consists of 1, 2, 3 and set B is consist of 3, 4, 5. Then A symmetric difference B will consist of all the elements 1, 2, 4, 5. That means X belongs to A or X belongs to B but does not belongs to A intersection B. First we have to select which elements belongs to both sets A and B. There is 3, here is also 3. 3 is common. So 3 will be not in the sets of symmetric difference. That means we eliminate the element 3 which is common to both sets, and we will take only those elements which are which consist of A union B and not in A intersections B. These are 1, 2, 4 and 5. In this way, Newark, Washington, these are disjoint set. So there is no element in common. So the set difference will be Newark, Washington's set difference 3, 4 is equal to Newark, Washington 3 and 4. These are the 4 elements. The symmetric difference of any set with any set will be the set S. Complement of a set. complement of A is defined as, so the blue portions is the complement of A. It is represented as a bar. Similarly, complement of B consists of those elements which are not in B. Definitions: complement of A is represented X such that X does not belongs to A, or we can take the set difference between A and U and A, that is also result the set complement of A. For example, assume that universal set is a set of integers, and then complement of 1, 2, 3 is equal to -2, -1, 0, 4, 5, 6. This the numbers does not contain 1, 2, 3. Other integers contains in the set, but here there is no one. There is 1, 2, 3 is absent in the list. These are the properties of complement of the sets. Set identities. Set identities replace U with this in the equivalence relations, logical equivalences. We can use also this symbol. Intersections is replaced by this symbol. Phi is replaced by F, U is replaced with T. We have to prove A intersections B is equal to B minus A. We prove it using Venn diagram. This is A intersection B, and this is B minus A. B minus A means this portion. Hence, this is B minus A, and now we have to find this area. This area is A, and this is B minus A. Therefore, this will be A intersections B consists of B minus A. This is B, and this is B minus A. Therefore, the colored area is B minus A. But it is also the A intersection B. Hence, A intersection B is equal to B minus A. What is the membership tables? We can prove various identities using membership tables. Here we take two binary values. 1 means element belongs, 0 means it does not belong. Consider the following membership tables. A 1 1 0 0. 1 means present and 0 means absent. So A union B means that is present in either of the sets, that is 1 and 1. There are two elements. 1 or 1 is equal to 1. 1 or 0 is equal to 1. 0 or 1 is equal to 1. 0 or 0 is equal to 0. Similarly, intersections is AND operations. So 1 and 1 is equal to 1. 1 and 0 is equal to 0. 0 and 1 is equal to 0. 0 0 is equal to 0. So the top row is all the elements that belongs to both sets A and B. Thus these elements are in the union intersections but not in the difference. Here 1 and 1 belongs to both the sets. So A union B is 1, A intersection B is 1, but A is set difference of A minus A and B is 0. Since there is A and B consist of common elements, therefore A minus B is equal to 0. Similarly, the second in the second row, these elements union and difference, union and but not in the intersections. Here 1 or 1 is equal to 1 and 1 and 0 is equal to 0, whereas 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, since the element 1 is present in A but not in B. Hence the set difference between A and B is equal to 1. In the third row, in union there is OR operations, this is AND operations, and in set difference operation 0 is present in A but it not present in B. 1 is not present in B, so the resultant will be 0. Similarly, for if both the value is 0, then A union B, that is OR operations, is 0 and operations is 0, and set difference between A and B, that is 0. Here 0 means no elements in the set. We can prove the last identity using membership tables. At first we have to create the table taking the binary values, and we have to prove the column A intersection B and B minus A. Since both the columns represent the same value, hence the identity is proved. Computer representation of set. The vowels in the alphabets are, if we represent vowels in the alphabets, then 1 is A is present, 1, B, C, D is consonant, so is 0, E is 1, F, G, H, I is 1, J, A, K, L, M, N, O is 1, O is 1, in this way. If the consonant is represented, there B, C, D, F, G, H, I. These are the sets. Computer representation of sets. This is the union operations, the binary values. The union operations gives all the values 1. The intersections operations result all the values to 0. Subset, some of the subset problem. If A, B, C are the sets, to show that A union B is equal to A union B union C, we can prove it using some example. By taking some example, so let us take one. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, and C is 2, 4, 6, 8. Then A union B will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and A union B union C is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hence, A union B is a subset of A union B union C. Similarly, you can prove the other identities. Thank you.